Hey guys, it's Alan, Front Page Fab. Tonight we're in the shop getting ready to do some work on the old hot rod here. Trying to get it, I'm late getting it ready for the season. So anyway, I hadn't planned on doing this video, but I had somebody ask me if I would do an unboxing video of my new Precision Performance shifter.
Let's get in the shop and build something.
Unfortunately, by the time I saw that, I already had it all unboxed and was kind of tinkering where I'm going to put the shifter in the truck and this and that. So anyway, I'll just give you a quick rundown. I have a Ford C6 transmission and with a reverse pattern manual trans brake in it. So I needed a shifter to do that. I struggled getting consistency out of my electric setup, so I switched to air. Everything in this box right here is the CO2 tanks, the regulators, the solenoid, everything I need to do that. I went ahead and purchased a tank, a 20-pound tank from my local welding supply store, and I bought a CO2 fill deal. I think it was off Amazon. So I'm 300 bucks into it. So basically what I ordered was the quick shift and the air setup and the brackets. I ordered the button here because they have a button right here. This is actually a button. It works this and this, but it's you can use it as a line lock button. Problem is it only works in first gear, I think it is. So it doesn't work for me when I do my burnouts. So I ordered this. So you could use, I guess you could wire this as a trans brake button, but I don't need it. I've already got it set up. So anyway, what the person asked me about was a video I did, I think early December, on the company that we all know likes to copy product. Surely everybody out there knows about the latest debacle. Jay at Broader Performance, I'm running his valve body in my truck. I ordered directly from him, so along with some other parts I bought from him. Jay's a great guy. I've got his torque converter in my truck. Super guy to deal with. That being said, I was trying to save some money because, as we all know, this stuff ain't cheap. Racing ain't cheap. And I saw Speedmaster had a copy of a Precision Performance shifter, and they had it 50% off. So I was able to buy the shifter, the brackets, and the air cylinder for under $300. Problem was their picture looked just like this without the switch on it and without the air cylinder. But their description said that it was air compatible. So I called and talked to them. They said, yep, it says it's air compatible. So yep, it is. When I got it, and I'll put a link to the unboxing video I did of that. I'll probably try to put it maybe right here. When I got it and I unboxed it, my suspicions were confirmed that what they showed was a picture of I believe the Precision Performance quick shift 1 or 2 with no setup, no provisions for air. What was missing, I don't know if you can see, let me see if I can get the camera. So they gave me, I got the cylinder, I got this bracket, but what was missing was this tab right here that's at the bottom of the shifter. So as you can see right now, I'm in park. I can go to reverse. Now to go to first, I gotta do that. But this moves every time I move that shifter. Okay? And then from here, it's just bang, bang. This was missing. There was no way your air was going to work without this. And as I look down here on the precision shifter, this is a two-piece plate machined out. So this was not something you just simply add on. It's all integral. It's one piece with the halves. So there was no way to work it. So anyway, that's what was missing. And like I say, as you see, I have everything I need here. So, sorry about that. So here's what I ordered. And this is my actual receipt. I ordered the Quick Shift 1 power shift for the C4, C6 reverse air. The cable on these, they recommend the cable come out the back. So that's what I went with their recommendation. On my Hurst shifter, it came out the front, so I've got to change that around. So I ordered that, and then I ordered, let's see, it comes with the connector to plug in for your neutral safety switch, and also the pin to connect your cable. And it comes with, I had, because this is all stuff you order extra, not this. It comes with the cable, or the shifter. These are the transmission brackets. You order those separate. So the shifter here, without this, is $600. This bracket kit is $60. I ordered the recommended cable, you see right here. That was $85. The switch right here and coil was $75, and the mounting brackets was $50, for a grand total of $870. So you can kind of see why I'm guilty. I don't like buying a copy, but when you don't really have the extra money, you don't really have the extra money, and this was going, hopefully, would have let me get by. So that said, I think probably about all of us have been guilty of it at one point in time in their life. It is what it is. I don't like it, but I got to save money. I mean, if I want to have my hobby, I got to find ways to save money, and that's why I build everything myself. I don't hire anything done as a general rule. There are a few things I have had done. On this truck, I had to have the dash hired out because I had no way to bend that big of a piece of aluminum. Literally everything else on this truck I have built right here in this shop, and I have all the pictures to prove it. Transmission I originally put together myself. It's the only way I can afford to do something or do this stuff, and I know a lot of you guys are in the same situation I'm in. So that said, enough of that. So I'm very pleased with this shifter. I got to get this bracket, get the bracketry on down on the transmission. You saw me operate it, but basically I don't have anything to get this up high enough, so I'll try holding it. The one thing with this transmission that could be better is it is a little bit notchy. Once you get the hang of it, it's not bad. So basically, you know, it's mounted on my right hand here. So this would be my line lock. And so to operate it, you have to pull in this lever, and you see there's your what runs your gates. So you can't move this out of park right now. Squeeze that lever, you go into reverse, you squeeze it again. Oh, look at that. So if I'm in reverse, I squeeze it, I could actually push, and I can go all the way to first from there, just by squeezing that in and pushing it, okay? That's not a bad feature at all. If you want to go to neutral, you're coming here, you want to go to neutral in a controlled fashion, not like I just did. You're going to squeeze, push forward, squeeze this down, and then, see how it does that? Puts the plunger all the way down. I can't go past neutral now. Well, so like that, can't go past neutral. So now I can go straight to neutral, or up here to neutral, let go of it, and it's all good. Now if I want to go to first, all I got to do, squeeze, go to first. And now to go to second and go to third. That's all we got to do. Air will take care of that for me. The air, combination of the air, the solenoid, and my Biondo delay box. So now going backwards, I want to go back. So now I got to squeeze the handle, come back one, squeeze the handle, come back to first gear, squeeze it again. Now I'm in neutral. And then whenever I'm ready to go to reverse, see, I can't do it like that. I got to push both in. Do that. Go to park. So you just got to get the hang of it, get used to it. Once you get used to it, like anything, it becomes second nature. It's a very well-made shifter. I like my Hurst a little better, I'm not going to lie. I really like that big pistol grip. Something I've actually contemplated doing is seeing if I could make a pistol grip like handle to put on here. I don't know. Get it up maybe a little bit higher. I don't know. Just something I've thought about. See how I like it as I use it this year. But anyway, that's it. You know, you think that's a lot of money, and it is a lot of money. It's a good quality product. So far, I'm impressed with it. I got nothing bad to say about it at all. You know, and you know, we talk about the money. Well, I'm trying to put this girl on a diet before I take it out on the track. And one of the things I did is I bought this battery. I bought it through Jones Racing, and you know, it was expensive too. But this battery, you know, it's super light. I think it's 8 pounds, 8 or 9 pounds. Compare that to a conventional 1,000 watt or 1,000 cranking amp car battery, or standard lead acid battery, and I'm going to save 50 pounds at the minimum with that change alone. And I'm going to jumper these two together and make a bus bar. That's what my thoughts are with that. I got the copper to make the bus bar. So yeah, so there you have it. Down and dirty, quick unboxing video. Again, I apologize. I already had it all out, everything out laying here, but that's what it is. Precision Performance Quick Shift 1 with the air shift options. Definitely good. Now this is just it comes with this coating on it to protect the nice polished material there. So that's all this gray stuff is. Don't get excited about it. It just peels off. Once I'm done getting it located, mounted, and then when I'm getting ready to put it in for the final time, I'll peel all this stuff back. But But chances are, if I'm going to mount it where I'm thinking I'm going to mount it, you probably aren't even going to see much of this anyway. But anyway, that's what it is. So if you have any questions, comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'm going to be doing some more content on this. The other thing we're going to be doing on this is, and I'll show in another video, is the RPM performance data logger. That is going in while it's here in the shop. So stick around, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.